no, 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 fly away. He's gonna try and eat you. He's waiting there for my birds to land, but I didn't feed them yet, so their food's gone. So thank you. He's just sitting there waiting for them to land, and they're not going to because I was just going out to feed them. And now I'm gonna wait till you leave. You can drink the water. You're not eating the birds at my house. No, you're not. That guy's a Metasaurus. He doesn't eat seeds. Drink some water. I'm gonna go change the water too. Go on, don't you eat my birds. See, he's waiting for one of them to land, and then he's gonna go right after him. You better get out of here. Yep, see? He's crouching down because my birds are walking across the patio. Don't you dare eat with them at my house. Go on, you cheeky bugger. Go on. Go on, get out of here. See, there's my birds. Run, birdies. Run, birdies. Go on. Go on, you cheeky bugger. Go on. Get out of here. Go eat the birds somewhere else, you little bastard. Go. Oh, little punk ass trying to eat my birds at my house. Peace out.